so formula for the distance between two number lines. If I have a number P and a number Q on the number line, what I'm interested in is how far is this distance, all right? So to find that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take P and I'm gonna subtract Q. And I'm gonna take the absolute value of that number, okay? Because P minus Q might give me a negative number, or it might give me a positive number if Q was over here. But all I'm interested in is the distance between them, which means the expression that represents those is the absolute value of P minus Q. So let's consider another example then, where let's just go ahead and I'm gonna put 0 here, and I'm gonna put this up here, and I'm gonna say 5, and down here I'm gonna say -4, okay? So I wanna know what is the distance between, we'll call P5 and Q -4. So what I do is say the absolute value of 5 minus -4 is equal to, all right, negative times a negative is a positive, so what I got is 5 plus 4. This is 9 units, okay? Or I'd say that's the absolute value of 9 equals 9. All right, which means that the distance between P and Q is 5 and 4. What's important is that P and Q could be different numbers. They could be completely reversed. All right, if P is representing a value of -4 and Q is representing a value of 5, then I'm going to use the same process to say P, that's -4, minus 5, positive 5, is equal to, so -4 minus 5, I do the same thing, I count on -5, okay, so -4 on down, so this is -9. All right, but the absolute value of -9 is 9, which means that it doesn't matter which number here comes first. It's always the same distance between -4 and 5 on our number line, and that's very important for consistency. We wouldn't want to say that the distance between two numbers on the number line changes if we change the order that we look at them, okay? So it shouldn't matter whether we're going from -4 to 5 or from 5 to -4. The distance between those two should always be the absolute value of the difference, okay? So the absolute value of the difference from P to Q, or P minus Q then, is the distance between the two numbers.